Hi you guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is over Mexico's Independence Day. I'm a little late, but you know, it was still in my mind. But you know, I just decided to make this look. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off with green as usual as a flag. Distracted easily. I'm just gonna put that in the corner. And for the corner of the crease, I'm now gonna skip the white for now. I'm gonna use red. I'll put that on the crease. And with the red, I'm also going to take it like, not too far, but just like underneath the eye. A little also small intervention, you guys. I was saying I was going to put red eyeshadow underneath my underline, but you guys can't hear me and I do not know how to work this recording thing, but yeah. I'm gonna take some of this white, and, you know, use the usual, just on the middle of there. That's a lot. And what I'm gonna do is try to blend it in. So it doesn't look like patchy. Blend it in with the green. Or I could just take some of the green, blend that in. And you know, you can do whatever you guys want, but I usually like to get my fingertip, and I'm gonna get some of this gold. I'm just gonna take it underneath the eye and just pat it. Then I'm gonna get some of this brown eyeliner. I'm not a great artist, so don't judge. I think I'm just gonna draw a fucking heart. That's how close I'm gonna get. Close enough. And from that gold, I'm gonna get the same gold I used underneath, and I'm just gonna highlight it. For this look, I'm going to use red lipstick. I'm going to use this lip stain, and then I'm going to use this lipstick. I like to use a lipstick like a lip liner. That's the thing I like to do. And then I'll just put some lipstick on. I don't know, it's the thing I used to do in high school, and I still do it. So my lashes are fucking up. Ooh, this is coming out fun. I'll throw them away. These motherfuckers are expensive. Like how vintage. ¿Dónde escuchas tu música favorita? I feel cute. I already put some lashes and some mascara, and it's the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I see you guys next time. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and you know, if you have any ideas, I'm always open for them. Bye!